Hi, I'm Nature Guy X46, and this is Nature Guy X46 Presents, and today we are looking at a suggestion from one of my subscribers who goes by the name Lincolnshire Transport, and the topic is bird and plane collisions. Does this really happen? Yes it does. In 2023, the FAA reported over 19,600 wildlife strikes, and some of those strikes were in fact bird strikes. They're most likely to occur during takeoff and during landing, and they tend to occur during migration and breeding seasons. In the US, wildlife strikes have killed 76 people, and they've also destroyed 126 planes. Surprisingly, these strikes are pretty rare, and the concern isn't bird death, the concern is the safety of air travel. Between 1990 to 2013, there were 142,675 wildlife strikes, and 97% of those involved birds. And it only makes sense that since birds and planes share airspace, that collisions are something that is bound to happen. Take a flock of geese flying through the air when out of nowhere a plane shows up. Now, what would happen if the geese hit the windshield? Worse, what would happen if the birds entered an engine? Yeah, it wouldn't be good. How can we avoid bird collisions? Well, let's look at some options. And there are a few options. One, we could switch up schedules. I mean, yeah, we could do that, but it still seems a bit sketchy. What about management of the ecosystems around an airport? You can basically make these areas less attractive to birds. Thus, less birds mean less bird strikes. Scaring birds away? You might use repellents or use harassment techniques to scare the birds away. You might use a variety of things such as birds of prey, which seems like an issue, playing loud noises, just to name a few. How about flat out removing birds? That is right. Airports sometimes have to relocate nests. Yes, they would be required to get some pretty heavy permits. What do you do when all of this fails? This is when it gets sad. They might have to use lethal force in order to protect people and planes. Of course, they also could rely on radar and other tools to help pilots see the flocks, and thus they can avoid the flocks. Again, these collisions can be quite costly, perhaps as much as millions of dollars, and with that, it's time for me to say see you in the next one.